Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhaimin, and in this video I will show you how to set up the Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 so that you able to run and compile MUHAMAD assembly code. But before that, I would like to give you an introduction on what is basically a MUHAMAD. MUHAMAD stands for Microsoft Macro Assembler. MUHAMAD is an assembler for x86 family of microprocessor that developed by Microsoft for Microsoft MS OS operating system. Before you watch this tutorial, make sure you have installed the Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. You cannot follow this video if you not yet installed the Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. Alright, first what you want to do is click on the file option and goes to the new and click on the create a new project. Here we want to select the empty project and then click on next. And the project name we want to put a MUHAMAD and leave the rest as it is, then click on create. After that, we want to clean up the solution and set up the correct environment for MUHAMAD. So we can delete this file as we don't use it. Then you want to right click on the MUHAMAD and hover on the build dependencies and click on the build customization. Then a menu of list will pop up, so make sure to tick on the checkbox for MUHAMAD. Then click OK. Another property that we want to change is in the property setting. Here we want to right click and then goes to properties. Then under configuration properties there is linker, and then under linker goes to system. Then under the scroll down menu we want to select Windows, then click OK. We have done with the environment setup. Next, we will create a starting template file and save it alongside with the environment setting so that we don't have to do it every time we create a new project. So here, click on the MUHAMAD, hover to the add and click on the new item. And then select C++ file, and then on the name change it to muham.main.asm, and then click add. Here we will add the template code that we want to load every time we create a new project, then save the code. Save it. After that, we will go to the upper menu and click on the project and then click on the export template, and then we want to check the project template and then click next. Okay, leave the template name as MUHAMAD and then the rest as default, and then click finish. We can close this, and to check we can go to the file, then create a new project. Here we can search for MUHAMAD, and there you go, you can see MUHAMAD template as an option. Alright, now we will check whether we can run assembly code or not. To do that, we will create a simple program that can add a value to a register and subtract value to a register. Here, as you can see, the code will move value of 5 to EAX register, and then it will add value of 10 to the register and then subtract value of 3 from the register. To run the code, first we must build the code. Click on the build and then click on the build mechanism. Okay, after that, you need to right click on the line 10, then insert a breakpoint. Then after that, click on the run local Windows debugger. Okay, after that, click on the step over. As you can see, the value of EAX register changed to 5. After that, click on the step over, and as you can see, the value of EAX changed to F, which is equal to 15. And then if we click again, the value of EAX changed to C, which is equal to 12, as it subtract 3 from the value of EAX. And then after that, we click the step over again, and then the program will exit. And that's how we know that our program runs successfully. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you're able to run and compile the assembly code. If you are able to do so, then congratulations. And again from me, thank you for watching.